Hi, this is speculation for Bank Nifty for the 16th of Jan 2023. We ended the day on Friday in a very peculiar way. So, Thursday's prediction was that the market would have a correction towards the downside and probably test this. However, what happened was we were anticipating a move up after a test of this extreme down here. However, what happened on Friday was that the market did come down, but somehow found support here, made a double bottom, went back up. So we could see a resistance line right here. The price touched and again ended up coming down, again forming a double bottom and went ahead with a push up. If you look at this pattern, I think you could probably identify this as a failed wedge, wherein the third push down was more of a failure. Now, in case you want the move up to be very strong and reliable, wherein you can take aggressive longs, this particular push should have either been completed or should have overshot slightly. Now, when I was looking at this chart prior to making this video, one other thought that came to my mind was, in case you ignore the tails, in case you just keep, note of the candles, right? Even then you can see there's no complete touching of the trend line. So there is no climactic end for the move down for you to get a corrective move up with vengeance, right? So I think you can probably consider this move up to be of a slightly weaker strength, if that's the right way to put it. So if you go take a look at this on a 15-minute chart, you can see this particular pattern. The wedge, the first push down, second push down, the third push that failed, and then we have this breakout which happened. Now here again, in case you look at it, it's probably maybe a bull flag that is being formed. Now if that is indeed a bull flag, you could probably have a measured move up from this region. So let's say this is approximate, right? So again, if you have a measured move up, this would be a test of, this particular extreme. So tomorrow, I think, right? So when you go by technical analysis, you probably think that this should be tested tomorrow, this particular extreme, and then we should have a correction towards the downside to test this extreme if there is a need to. See, because unless and until the move up is strong enough, this channel may not be honored. Now you can draw this channel if you're interested. You could see this channel has been in play since the 23rd of December, the 14th of December. So this you could probably draw a channel like this, and obviously a correction up is possible. To touch this even without this being tested, though it's unlikely because it's a downtrend. So every reliable trade that you could take would be towards the downside. So we can break it up into two easy parts, without getting confused too much, me more than you. So first, I think this extreme should be tested tomorrow. So this testing of this particular extreme would mean that we've not had a proper wedged breakout. A proper wedge breakout is a two-legged breakout that would test this extreme for sure, because this would be the rough size of this particular wedged breakout. So since it's a weak breakout, I think this extreme should be tested, that is 42,674, or let's even say 42,600 for the sake of argument. Roughly this should be tested, and then we should have a very good move towards the downside. Now when this is moving down, I don't think that this particular channel line should be what we are looking at, the wedge channel line. We should probably be looking for a test of the lowermost extreme somewhere here. So that is 40,955 or 41,000 approximately. So once you have a test here of this particular area, then you can calculate for a nice move towards the upside, right? So that I think would be a profitable trade to take, buying aggressively once it tests this particular levels. But till then, I think you should wait, and you should be bearish. Wait for this level to be tested, and I think this will happen in the morning itself within a few minutes, and then the move down should continue from there. That's the maximum probability how tomorrow's trade should work out. The likelihood of it actually shooting up to this is very, very remote. You should not bet on that. And even if the price keeps moving up, because market does not belong to anybody, it's where the institutions have a major say. So in case they continue to buy, the trend may go all the way up, but don't bank on that. You should bank on a move down till this particular levels are reached. My bet, tomorrow this extreme would get tested, this particular high. Once that is tested, the market should fall down gradually or with a thud. However it does fall down, this zone would be a zone of agreement, because this has been a zone of agreement even in the past. So it may spend some time here and fall down. Your bet should be towards selling side. It should not be towards the buying side. And once this price is reached around 41,000, then you can have aggressive long positions till it reaches here. And I think this would continue one more time. Once it tests the uppermost level, it should come down for one more time, and then we could have a huge bullish movement upstairs towards the up. So this is my analysis. I hope it's insightful. I was trying to make it not more than 3 minutes, but I couldn't control my rant, so I think it went for around 8 minutes. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.